Pinoy startup. You know, Alan Kay is a clown, and his mission in life, as well as in business, is to entertain people and to make them laugh. You know what? He believes that no matter how hard life is, well, there's always room for clowns like him to alleviate the stress of living. At mukhang totoo talaga to dahil, my gosh, punong-puno talaga ang kanyang mga comedy club. And for Miss Thelma, first we have Miss Thelma over here. Have you gone to a comedy club already? Dun, 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 start spread. Ay! Nandiyan na pala kayo. Sorry ha. Sige, trabaho muna tayo. Okay. Marami nagsasabi, alam nyo, never mix business with pleasure. Pero alam nyo, marami din nagsasabi, mix business with pleasure. But for our featured entrepreneur ngayong hapon, of course, or I should say, ngayong gabi, his business is pleasure. Alina, puntahan natin ang Clowns Comedy Club ni Mr. Alan Kay. Come on, let's go! Mga kaibigan, the man whose pleasure is business. Mr. Alan Kay! Hello!
Hello.
How are you feeling tonight?
I'm okay. I'm a bit tired though. I just came from the show of Sex Bomb.
Ay! Nako, ano naman ginawa mo with the sex bomb?
Ay, syempre, nag-show, kumanta, tatawa.
Ayan.
Segue ka pa rito ng another show.
Mga kaibigan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Clowns Cafe. This is actually an extension of the second branch of Clowns Comedy Club dito sa Cubao, right? Paano mo naman nasimulan ang business na to?
I just felt like it was high time kasi parang sa showbiz kasi, you one day come to realize na showbiz is not after all a lifetime, alam mo yun, bread and butter. It's somehow cruel in a way na darating at darating pagkakataon na hindi ka na mainit.
Pero no.
So, kailangan may fallback. Pero buwan, parang araw na parang camel na just that ang mga tao siguro ngayon sa hirap ng buhay sa Pilipinas parang gusto na lang nilang tumawa at entertain. Ang comedy bar is one of the cheapest form of entertainment na can provide laughter and music at the same time.
Simula naman natin, let's start from the very beginning. Why or how did you start the Clowns Comedy Club?
It started as I wanted to help my friend who was a part of a business like this before, and nakita ko kasi maganda yung kanilang venue, magaling location, and hindi ko maunawaan kung bakit hindi sila nakiklik. Samantalang yung ibang bar sa Quezon City nakiklik. Sabi nila, ba't hindi ko na lang rentahan sa kanila since the place is already there, the equipment, the sound system, the lights, the tables and the chairs, all that I just had to do was to operate. So, sabi ko, I got some advices from friends who own bars also. Sabi na, kaya mo na yan. Sabi ko, oh, sige, fine. So, I grabbed it, and okay naman.
Did you have any experiences with actually opening or running a bar?
Actually, none. Kaya lang, sa tagal ko nang nagpe-perform, ang dami ko ng pinayamang bars. Kasi modesty aside, ever since parang crowd drawer ako, ewan ko kung bakit. Siguro maganda ako kasi.
Siyempre!
Tapos,
Talagang maganda ka.
yun na nga, I have decided na oo nga naman, it's high time, dami ko rin napayaman na bar, it's high time na ako naman ang kumita rito.
Of course.
So, yun.
That's how it started. May malaki ba yung in-invest mo?
Investment so far, it's not that big. Because when I started, kasi nga, all I just had to do was to pay the rent. Although I did a little renovation, but more on labor of love lang yun for my friends. Puro ano lang, puro chika, so mura.
Correct. Second bar mo na to, Comedy Club. The first one, of course, is in?
Sa Quezon Avenue.
And the second one is in?
Dito sa Araneta, Coliseum mismo.
Mr. Tony na isa sa mga specialties dito sa Clowns Comedy Club ay ang banyo. Alam ko mga guys, medyo bawal sa inyo pumasok sa banyo, pero special treat ko. Ali kayo, pasok kayo sa girls' bathroom.
Actually, here we give tribute to the local artists. Yung mga caricature ng mga nag-Darna na naging bida ng Darna like si Gretchen, si Vilma Santos, si Ninette Medved.
Napaka-excited ako dahil hindi pa ako nakapasok ng isang boys' bathroom. Tony, what does it tell us? Ano naman yung specialty ng boys' bathroom sa Clowns?
Naman Alan is wearing an Elvis Presley outfit.
Ayan. At ang
Going backstage. Ayan. Sila sila nag-makeup. Hello lang kayo.
ano namang difference between the first business and the second business?
Ito parang okay na lang to kasi alam na namin i-operate. The first one is talagang blood, sweat, and tears.
Sino naman ang kasosyo mo dito?
Dito sa Araneta, kapartner ko si Ai, si Andrew Daria, who incidentally owns the library also in Malate. And my original partner sa Clowns, si Lito Alejandria.
Ayan. You mentioned something about blood, sweat, and tears. Ano namang mga obstacles na dinaanan mo nung nagsimula ka ng business?
Ang dami kasi nga, the first ever Clowns, yung venue is maganda yung location, but ang venue was said to be my curse. Ewan ko ha, according to many na marunong sa feng shui and all that, ako kasi hindi ako naniniwala sa feng shui. Inano ko yun, nireview ko yung curses doon, yung spirit of bankruptcy doon, nireview ko. Dedicate ko muna sa kay Lord more than any feng shui artist.
What's your message naman for people out there who want to get into the same kind of business as yours? Your business is pleasure. So what can you suggest to them?
Wala nang sasarap pa na business let me put it this way. Success is when you earn and you enjoy. Yun lang yun.
Refreshing. Thank you so much. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. This is your segment dito lamang sa Entrepinoy Startup and it's called Just Between Us. Okay, magbabalik po kami. So stick around. You know what? Alan Kay does not have a degree in psychology, but he definitely knows that laughter definitely makes life easier. But, of course, no, it's a lot cheaper and easier than taking stress tablets. You understand, ma? Ang nakakatawa talaga si Alan Kay.